Morning, guys. So, what's today? Tuesday or Wednesday? I don't know what day it is. I think it's it's Wednesday because I was off Monday. So yeah, so it's a Wednesday. So I'm up making water detox for 3 days. So here's my jug. I already got my salt in there. Can you see it? Yeah. And I put some lime. I put like 2 limes in there. I put some limes in there. Now I'm about to fill it up. This is good to this is good, y'all, for like to try to retrain your body. Get a reset to your body, basically. This is my second one I've done. I did one I don't know, like a month ago, I believe. It's very hard. It's very challenging. But you tap into your spiritual. Also, you get more clarity. Like, y'all should try it. Like, I'm promoting. Try to detox at least for 3 days. Just try for 1 day at first. And then build yourself up to 3 days. Some people do it for 7 days. Some people do it for 10 days. Personally, I ain't got there yet. I have not got to 7 days yet. But 1 day I will. Oh yeah. Oh yes, baby. I will get there. And it's really challenging when I go to work because I work in a kitchen setting. It's nothing but food and sweets. And as soon as you walk in there, you smelling good food. Like at home, it's not that challenging because I don't know. It's just not challenging at home. Maybe because I don't have food just laying around. I got uncooked food in the refrigerator, but I hate cooking. But I'm not gonna cook no food. I think 1 bottle. Well, that's enough. It's almost to the rim. I don't want to waste another bottle of water. Alright, so I got that. Let me shake it up and see how it tastes. Now, because I have high blood pressure, I've just been doing like 1/4. I was doing like a whole teaspoon, but my health coach told me to bump it down and bump it back down to 1/4. Shake it around. Water gonna be everything. Alright. Now let's see how it tastes like. I don't like my water cold, y'all. I got up a little later this morning. I didn't get up till like 9:30, so I'm just getting up. But I was supposed to start at 6 o'clock. Start drinking at 6 o'clock. Okay, so I got that. I'm gonna stick this in the refrigerator just for a couple seconds. Dang, we got nowhere to put it in. Dang, it won't fit in the top. Oh well. Now what I'm about to make is a ginger shot. It's my first time making one. So the ingredients you need is cayenne pepper. You need ginger root, cayenne pepper, water, lime or either lemon, and a pinch of the sea salt. So let's turn the camera back around. Now this gonna wake you up. That damn cayenne pepper gonna wake you up. I've taken cayenne pepper before. And a little shot. Alright, so put the lime in there first. Cut the lime up. limes are hard to squeeze. I ain't like lemons. And you put 8 ounces of water to this. Damn, that ain't make nothing. Let me do another. Come on, baby. Okay. So I got the juice in there. Very little juice, but actually he said to zest a lemon or a lime, but I don't have that little zester thing. I gotta get myself. I just put the juice in there for now. And now I'm gonna cut me a piece of ginger. You make this go lightly on the ginger because you know ginger is very, very potent. Yes, this shit is strong. I don't like the peelings. Some people leave them on. Preferably, I don't like to leave them on. Just cut them up in small pieces so I know so the blender will break them down. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. I said don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Hey, I woke up this morning looking at the sunset. I don't know the words, y'all. That's all I know is don't worry. I heard that song yesterday and this has been on my mind. And I'm just cutting the ginger up small so it will blend in this blender here. Alright, I think that should be enough. Oh shit, I forgot my turmeric. Oh, I forgot turmeric, y'all. Y'all should put turmeric in there also. So I always keep some turmeric on me. I got this bag right here from Amazon, y'all. The turmeric powder, I got this from Amazon. He said what? Ooh, this shit's strong. This with this cayenne pepper together. Ooh, it's gonna wake me up. Alright, so that's the turmeric. Here's the cayenne pepper. Oh shit, all on my fingers. Alright, so I salt in. Oh wait a minute, I gotta put the salt in there. Get like a little pinch of salt. So we're gonna call that a pinch. Now where's my water at? Where's the water? I'm talking to myself, baby. I was talking to myself. I'm sorry. I'm making a video too. Alright, so put some water in there. Water. Let me see this thing got a measuring thing up here. We're gonna assume that that's 10 ounces. Yeah.
If I was to rip a dollar bill and put it on the other end of this, would they give it to me?
Hell no. No. Gotta have all the $5. I think I got $5 I can give you in cash.
You eat cabbage.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I already seen this, Joe.
Oh. Hey, Ma, I thought. Hey, y'all. I could have went.
I need to do a skincare.
Right here?
No, turn on the other side. On the other side. It ain't bad on both sides. It's bad on both sides. Bring it out of the
I'm about to go to work today.
Good.
I got
They doing nothing.
Nuh-uh, because yesterday, I don't know what Trayvon was talking about. I actually went to go to Staples to help Nika build a display.
Mm-hmm.
And I was with Cherish. It was me and Cherish, and it was helping her build a display.
I figured that's what y'all was at. You called me, I couldn't answer the damn phone, but I was on the line. Alright, y'all, here it is.
Let me smell it.
It smell bad. It's strong though. Here it is, y'all. So what I have to do, what I gotta do is chug this shit down. Yeah.
Hey, I give you $10. You chug it right now.
No, I ain't gonna be able to chug it. I'm gonna be able to sip on it, but yeah.
Well, I owe you $10
because
because I don't got $10 right now.
God, Jesus Christ. It ain't as bad as I thought. It's strong though. Whoo, it's strong as a motherfucker. I'm gonna be sweating like a bitch.
Yo, you got balls.
Whew, this ginger is gonna be. Like, I should have used cold water or put some ice in or something. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So what I did, I just put a portion of it in the cup, and I've got to this. This shit burn, like you feel it all. My nose running. Like cayenne pepper and turmeric and ginger together, boy. You know, the good things for us are the nastiest. It ain't really nasty, it's just strong as hell. It's really strong. But I'm gonna get it down. Because this is what I set out my goals to do. And this is what I gotta drink to get off medicine, then that's what it's gonna be. This is just the start. No, it don't taste like a candy bar. No, it don't taste like chips that I like to eat. Oh, my nose running, my eyes running. It's like, I'm gonna feel better though. It's gonna wake me up. It's like coffee. It's like the good version of coffee, y'all. Woo, 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 woo. All right, y'all. So I just want to share that with y'all. I'm about to go and take a shower and probably ready for work, because I think I'm gonna go to work earlier today. But y'all be blessed and stay with me on my journey. I gotta take some photos of how I look now, so when I lose this weight and when I get really healthy, y'all gonna see the transformation. All right, bye. I love y'all. Always be kind, be nice. Be nice, be compassionate of people. You know, people got emotions, people got feelings. So just be mindful what you say to people. If you don't got nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. Be nice. Bye.